Many of you know my Volkswagen is down and out for another 3 months. It's having some issues with the emissions problems. We're trying to get parts for it. So here, nice macho guy like me, they give me this thing. This thing to drive. So I gotta drive that now for the next 3 months, free of charge. So we'll see how that goes. Not too bad, 174,000 miles on it. And yeah, we've just been doing some cleaning, putting this stuff in here because it's like pretty smoggy in here. Last guy must have been a chain smoker or something. So used that one for an ashtray. That was full of crap. Now we kind of clean it up. I don't know what year this thing is. I think it's 2001, 2000. But look at that. It's got a tape deck in it. Cool. Look at that. Follow yourself. That lights up when you pull that. It's got a sunroof, but great view of the ski rack or the bike rack up there. It's got an empty flower holder. I'm thinking of putting a cactus in there. So hey, I'm gonna try this stuff here. Put it on the Volkswagen Beetle. Stuff, they're trying to get rid of it, but as near as I can tell, this stuff works like normal Armor All that really clean or disinfects everything, but still gives it an oily shine, I guess. Kills 99.9% of bacteria though, which this thing could use. These cup holders, kind of like holding on to a 3-year-old's hand after he's been eating ice cream or lollipops or something. Huh. It's kind of a little sticky there. I don't know. That stuff's hard to get off. All stuck on there. I'm gonna try spraying this on there, get those stains out of there. Probably be the end of that color. I have no idea what he spilled there, but ye gads. Wait, the passenger seat's actually worse. Look at that crap on there. Still drinking. Looks like you need more crap, more spray. More spray, more scrubbing. Get the vacuum out here. Wipe this down for the millionth time.